You're a spark in the dark, and my clothes are all aflame. You should feel how I feel when somebody says your name. My car is speeding down the boulevard without a break. I need to make that one phrase. Hi everyone, welcome to The Voice Mood. I'm your host, Olivia Beck, your local millennial voice teacher. Today we're working on Stupid Song by Olivia Rodrigo. I have a student working on this. I'm sure more students will try this one out. So I thought, let's learn it together. I'm just going to break down line by line and talk about what you can do to achieve a similar sound. Away we go. This is the kind of thing that I do with students all the time. This song is in the key of B, so let's do a quick little warm up starting around here. So we'll do just a and N sound, get things more forward. So keep it gentle. I think that's about as high as we'll need to go. Something about Olivia Rodrigo is she uses a lot of mixed belt, a light head voicey mix, keeping things sort of at a speaking level volume until we get to those higher notes, and naturally a little bit of volume is going to pop out, but we don't want to push volume. We want to keep it gentle. Do a nice twangy, gentle meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Little steps down, a little snarl. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Something she also does is she uses a little bit of a cry. So like, "Mom, Mom!" That's definitely in her wheelhouse. So just do a nice, well, 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 and give it maybe a little bit of like a pouty, like, I'm so tired vibe. Well, 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 well. 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 I think we're ready to get started. New York City's never looked so blue. The trick with this type of singing is to not necessarily whisper, because whispering New York City, you can feel is a little harsh on your voice. The trick is to just sing it very, very low volume, kind of to yourself, low intensity. So as opposed to New York City, think just quietly to yourself, New York City's never looked so blue. That's all it is. Just very nonchalant. Friends are smoking blunts in the bathroom. Just very nonchalant, very low volume. This is the type of singing where your microphone is doing some pretty heavy lifting for you. You'll notice as I get closer to the microphone, I can really sing that quietly. New York City's never looked so blue. Friends are smoking blunts in the bathroom. Put a little bit of reverb on there and we got ourselves a song. Okay. Say that honest love is a cage that makes you feel free. It's just giving yourself permission to be very, very low intensity. That's how you get that effect without pushing, by really bringing it down to that level. If you have a bigger voice, this might be a little tricky for you to really bring down that volume. So, go easy on yourself. For a lighter voice, this might be a little bit easier. This part rhythmically is tricky because it's very speech-like. That's called prosody, when you have rhythm that's close to speech. Keeping that in mind can be very helpful. Sing it like you're speaking at all the girls at this party. And all the girls at this party are so cool. It's never been a thing that I could do. This very first one is very low intensity, just like the intro lines. And all the girls at this party, really that low. It's never been a thing that I could do. Same idea, just very low. But I cannot but imagine what you say when you speak with me. You can actually hear the breath in there. Use it. But I can't help imagine what you say when you speak with me. If you breathe in the emotion that you're going to sing, it will help with that effect, that vocal effect. So, for instance, you wouldn't go, but I can't help but imagine. You would do a small breath, like sort of a whimpery breath. But I can't help but imagine what you say when you speak with me. As opposed to, again, like a surprise breath. But I can't help but imagine what you say when you speak with... No, it's not that kind of breath. It's... But I can't help but imagine what you say when you speak with me. It's very much in that emotion that we're sitting in, and that definitely translates in your vocal line. Maybe just give it a little bit more gas. You're a spark. A little bit more like you're speaking. You're a spark, but not a lot more than that. Maybe if you're feeling it getting a little tense, think more here. You're a spark in the dark. Still at a speaking volume. A tiny teaspoon of vocal presence. Just like you're speaking. Just speak it. You're a spark in the dark. You're a spark in the dark, and my clothes are almost whiny. If you do it in like a like whiny voice, that'll also... You're a spark in the dark. Again, those breaths are small. You should feel how I feel when somebody says your name. Keep it right here. It's name. My breath is engaged. I'm feeling my lower abdominals kind of working a little bit for me through the phrase. Should feel how I feel when somebody says your name. I'm a car speeding down the... Let it be the... Do a little... If you can do a little yodely flip. That's kind of where this is sitting in her voice. I'm a car speeding down the boulevard. It's got that cry feeling. It helps to kind of show off the choppers here. Without a break. Very easy to over sing that because it sounds like she's going pedal to the metal already, but she's really not. Keep it still like speaking level intensity in terms of like how much energy you're exerting, and just kind of stay in that zone. I want you all any stupid song could ever say. Kind of like in that whiny zone. I'm gonna over sing it with these headphones on. You're a spark in the dark, and my clothes are all aflame. You should feel how I feel when somebody says your name. I'm a car speeding down boulevard without a break, and I want you more than any stupid song could ever say. Just very keeping it an eyelash away from head voice the entire time. There's a lightness to it. She's not doing, you're a spark in the dark, and she's definitely not doing, without a break. It's not really that heavy. This part also just keep it in mixed voice, so you can try it on a meow. Meow, 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 meow. I'm a heart made of wax, and I'm melting in the sun. And the tongue needs to be pretty relaxed too. Undone, I'm a thread on your shirt that it's calling undone. Think, undone, done. I feel right, I feel wrong, I feel totally insane. Sane. Throw it away. This hand motion might help. Sane. Keeping it in that snarly, meowy, whiny, not insane. We're not shouting it. Insane. And I want you more than any stupid song could ever say. Goes straight into head voice. So, and I want you more than any stupid song could ever say. Be careful with this. You, again, don't wanna, like, actively whisper, "Any stupid," it's just very off the voice, very chill. "Any stupid song could ever see." It actually works better when you don't push it, don't try, just let whatever comes out when you're singing really softly and really high. Whatever comes out, that's all it is. It's not, she's not actively trying to whisper or anything. She's just singing like as if she's about to cry. Easier said than done, I know. So the next verse is similar to the beginning, just maybe a tiny bit more volume, but not much. Walking through the park with my head high, past all the college girls and the drunk guys, even if there's one between us two. So just very chill, very speaky. Don't give it too much gas and it should pop right out. And I'm too shy to say what I see when I dream of you. Is that right? Dream of you. Do do do. Ooh, of you. Bob. Of you, of you, of you. You, as opposed to you or you. I would recommend You're a Spark in the Dark, keeping this shape. You're a spark in the dark, and my clothes are all flame. It's so much easier when you have the snarly lift. And I could go on and on about that, as opposed to a little too covered here. Just give it a try. I'm a car speeding down the boulevard without a break. If you can cry on the end of boulevard, I'm a car speeding down the boulevard without a break. Boulevard. Without a break. You might actually give yourself a little bit of a head start on that without a break part. Boulevard without a break. See what I'm doing there? I'm putting a little cry on Vard. I love how she does sun. And I'm melting in the sun, and the thread on your shirt that's coming undone. I feel right, I feel wrong, I feel totally insane. Sane, like it's coming out the top of your head. So it's not just sane, it's sane. There's that pout. Remember when we were doing the whas? Well. Keeping it pouty when you do those whas makes sense. Oh, want you one switch? Any stupid song could ever say. Really take your foot off the gas. Really light, barely singing. That's it. Okay, this little rap part. Every night like the one before. Dream of you like 1, 2, 4. Just speaky, very light, very relaxed. It's more about kind of what I was talking about earlier with the prosody. Speaking it more like you're speaking it in a natural cadence, but rhythmically, and not over enunciating. Every night like the one before. I just wanted somebody more. I don't know about you, but that goes right through my break. I would just keep that very whiny, very light. Or just, if you're doing the song live, I might even skip that. Nobody's wanted somebody more. I could even do it down the octave just because that's kind of a tricky switch to do live. Not saying it's impossible. It's just something I would definitely consider for myself. Because you could do positively and truly short. Body's wanted somebody more. You could throw that in there. It just feels a little crammed to me. Or just make this part your own. Every night like the one before. Dream of you from like 1 to 4. Positively and truly short. Body's wanted somebody more. It's a thing that I can't ignore. Tell your friends that you're mine, I'm yours. Right hand on my heart, I swear. Body's wanted somebody more. I don't know. I don't love that. I just want somebody more. I would maybe even do that in head voice, because doing it sort of full voice in the middle of everything is just kind of weird if you're doing it like a live version. I feel like it makes it sound cooler in the production to do positively and truly short. Nobody's wanted somebody more. It's a thing that I can't ignore. You know what I mean? It's just like the tone switch is kind of weird if you're singing it live. So I would do positively and truly short. Nobody's wanted somebody more. It's a thing that I can't ignore. Tell your friends that you're mine, I'm yours. With a hand on my heart, I swear. Nobody's wanted somebody more. You know, I would do something different there if I were singing it live, just because that is a heavily produced section. Kind of like where she goes, with the hand on my heart, I swear. I would do maybe that in head voice. Something to think about. Going crazy, going mad. Want you, babe? You can do that however you want. It's so echoey in the recording, or there's so much like ambiance there, I guess, that however you want to do that, I would just do it in the way you're comfortable. I would do it even in head voice. I'm going crazy, going mad. I want you, baby, so bad. I would just do your own thing there. I would just bring it down. Head voice, mixed voice, whatever you think sounds best there for you. And then it's the same kind of thing. You're a spark. And remember, just because you're at the end of the song, it doesn't mean you have to go balls to the wall. One thing I noticed is I used too much breath that I was trying to hold in. So I'm going to let go of some of that, and I'm going to take my headphones off because that was making me over sing as well. And that took away the lightness and flexibility that we need. Try those two things. Low intensity. You're a spark in the dark, and my clothes are all aflame. You should feel how I feel when somebody says your name. My car is speeding down the boulevard without a break. I need to make that one phrase. One more time. It's not whiny enough. It's not whiny enough. You're a spark in the dark, and my clothes are caught aflame. You should feel how I feel when somebody says your name. I'm a car speeding down the boulevard without a break, and I want you more than any stupid song can ever say. Oh, heart made of wax, and I'm melting in the sun. I'm a thread on your shirt that is going undone. I feel right, I feel wrong, I feel totally insane, and I want you more than any stupid song can ever say. We'll see if that translated at all. I still feel like I'm pushing a little bit, and I should probably sing that in my microphone. So I'm not pushing quite so much. There's definitely a lot of like reverb and ambiance and production in this song, and like layers in there, and I feel like I'm overcompensating by pushing, but that is the challenge of a lot of music. We're working through it together, and I hope this helped you. Of course, if you're interested in voice lessons with me and you want to work through a song, let me know. Hit me up. I have my information in the description, so I would love to meet you. And that's everything. That's all. Okay, have a good day. Bye.